Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install OneDrive on Windows 10. Without any further ado, let's get started. Start by navigating to your desktop and opening your preferred web browser. Once your browser is open, head to google.com to begin the search process. This is the quickest way to find the official OneDrive download page without typing in long URLs manually. Now, in Google's search bar, type in Microsoft OneDrive and hit enter. You'll see several results appear on your screen. From these search results, click on the first official Microsoft site. This ensures you're downloading OneDrive directly from Microsoft's official source, which is important for security and getting the latest version of the software. Once you click on the Microsoft site, the page will begin loading. Give it a moment to fully load so all the download options appear properly. After the website finishes loading, you'll directly see a blue Download OneDrive button prominently displayed on the page. Go ahead and click on this button. Your download will immediately start, and you should see the file downloading in your browser's download bar or notification area. Now, once the download is complete, locate the installer file you just downloaded. It's typically found in your Downloads folder or at the bottom of your browser window. Simply run the installer by double-clicking on it. A new installation window will appear on your screen, and from here, all you need to do is follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation process. The installer will guide you through each step, including signing in with your Microsoft account and configuring your sync settings. And that's it. You've successfully installed OneDrive on your Windows 10 computer, and you can now start backing up and syncing your files across all your devices. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.